The Carolina grasshopper. You've likely seen one, and if you have, it surely saw you first. From a stricken stony waste in blazing sun, a baking country road, or field in summer thirst. It's grounded there beside one slender shadow, its own, like a strewn gray splinter of lichened stone. And should you unknowingly venture too near, there, it launches off in the trademark manner, with a dust dry fluttering you suddenly hear of its plum and yellow crepe paper banner. And once aloft, it zigs and zags away, until that's far enough, it might just say, and doubles back a bit, and folds and falls to earth, just steps away from you, but, well, where is it? Where on the clay and stone, for all your worth? You may never learn without a second visit, an unwelcome visit to where it once had been, for it's seldom seen before. There, it's off again. Carolina grasshoppers, they don't hop or fiddle, and meadows in splendor are not to their taste. No, like the Sphinx with its baffling riddle, they seem to prefer some dry, weedy waste. And their mint-green brose with a natty gold stripe would not be caught dead in their stone phenotype. Not for these locusts, the nightmarish swarms. How would they know if the year's crop's a bumper? They're not the orthopters plaguing the farms, and seldom more than a poor puddle jumper. For them barren vistas and solar solitude, and any intrusion they deem rather rude, unless it's one of their own, by chance. And you think they right away couple or fight? No, most often they kick up their legs and dance. They have a hoedown, as desert fathers might. Ah, Carolina grasshoppers, they too live for fun, as unchaste monks in their order of the sun.